Hi friends, welcome to math. We're not going to be learning a new math lesson today. We're going to just review what we've already learned about 3D shapes. Let's get started. So here are some of the 3D shapes that we've learned so far. We have a cylinder, a cube, a rectangular prism, a pyramid, a sphere, and a cone. We know that all 3D shapes have characteristics like faces. The part of a 3D shape that is flat is called a face. They are the flat surfaces around a 3D shape. For example, a cube has 6 faces. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, I only see 3. But oh wait, this is a fat 3D shape. That means there's stuff in the back that I can't necessarily see, but I know it's there. So I see 3 here, and let me keep going. There's a 4th one back here, a 5th one back here, and a 6th face on the bottom, which makes 6 faces on a cube. 3D shapes also have edges. Edges are the line where 2 faces meet together on a 3D object. A cube has 12 edges. Let's count them. And remember, there are some edges that we can't see from the front because they're in the back, but we know they're there and have to remember to count them. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 on top, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom. There's 2 here that we can't see, but we know they're there. That makes 8 so far. And then 9, 10, 11, and there's one more back here that we can't see, 12. That's 12 edges on a cube. 3D shapes also have vertices or corners. The point where 3 or more edges meet each other, like this, 1, 2, 3 edges meet here at this corner or point, is called a vertex. This cube has 8 vertices all together. Let's count them. And remember, there are some that you might not be able to see but are still there. I'm going to start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 on top, 5, 6, 7, and then there's one back here we can't see, 8 on the bottom. That makes 8 vertices or corners on a cube. So in summary, the 3 characteristics of 3D shapes are the flat surfaces or faces, the lines where 2 faces meet or the edge, and the vertex where 3 or more edges come together to form a point or a corner. Let's solve some shape riddles. What shape am I? I have no faces, I have no edges, and I have no vertices. I am a, shout out the answer if you know it. Well done, I'm a sphere. A sphere has no faces, no vertices, and no edges. This soccer ball is an example of a sphere. What shape am I? I have one face. My face is the shape of a circle. I have no edges or vertices. I am a, see if you can shout out what shape this is. It has one face that's a circle, no edges or vertices. Great work. I am a cone. A cone has one circle face on the bottom and no edges or vertices. This construction cone is an example of a cone. What shape am I? I have 6 square faces. Okay, that's important. 6 square faces. I have 12 straight edges and I have 8 vertices. Think about this. What shape has 6 square faces? I am a, fantastic, I'm a cube. A cube has all square faces. All of its flat surfaces are square. It has 12 edges and 8 vertexes. Very nice. Just like this Rubik's Cube, which is an example of a cube. What shape am I? I have 2 faces that make the shape of a circle. So this shape has two faces that are both circles. I have no edges. I have no vertices. I am a, well done, I'm a cylinder. A cylinder has two faces, one on top and one on the bottom, and they're both circle faces. There are no edges and no vertices, just like this Pepsi can, which is an example of a cylinder. What shape am I? I have 6 faces. 4 of my faces are rectangles, and 2 of my faces are squares. That's really important information. Out of all 6 faces or flat surfaces, 4 of them are shaped like a rectangle and 2 are faced like a square. That's a really important clue in figuring out what shape this is. I have 12 straight edges and 8 vertices. I am a, brilliant! It's a rectangular prism. This is the difference between a cube and a rectangular prism. A cube has all square faces, but a rectangular prism has rectangular faces and only 2 square faces. Don't mix them up. What shape am I? I have 5 faces. 4 faces are triangle, and the 5th face is a square. So again, this gives you clues on what shape it is. There's 4 triangle faces and 1 square face. Can you imagine what that shape might look like if there was 4 triangle faces and 1 square face? It also has 8 straight edges and 5 vertices. I am a, you got it, I'm a pyramid. Very nice. All right, we're gonna play another game now called Shape Shout Out. On the screen, you're gonna see a picture of a real object that's found out in the world. Because remember, shapes are all around us. Everything around us is made up of either a solid or a plane shape, a 3D or a 2D shape. As you see these pictures, shout out the name of the shape that it is. So if it's something that's a cylinder, shout out cylinder. If it looks like a cube, shout out cube. Here we go. What shape is this? Sphere. What shape is this? Cylinder. What shape is this? Cubes. What shape is this? Rectangular prism. What shape is this? Sphere. What shape is this? Be careful on this one. It's a cone. What shape is this? It's a cube with lots of little cubes stacked together to make a big cube. Do you notice that? What shape is this? Good, it's a cylinder. What shape is this? Very nice, a rectangular prism. What shape is this? Very nice, a sphere. What shape is this? It's a rectangular prism. Because look, these faces here on the side, they're rectangles. Even though this one on top is a square, these are rectangles, so it's a rectangular prism. What shape is this yummy treat? That's right, they're cones. What shape are these? Very nice, cube. What shape are these? Good, they're spheres. What shape is this? Very nice, cylinder. What shape is this? Rectangular prism. What shape are these? Sphere, very nice. What shape is this? Also a sphere, nice job. What shape is this? These are sugar. Very nice, they're cubes. What shape are these? Cylinder. What shape is this? A rectangular prism. Very good. See, this is a rectangle face, this is a rectangle face, and this is a rectangle face. So that is a rectangular prism. What shape is this? A cone. Very good. And what shape is this? A rectangular prism. Very nice. So boys and girls, today you're not going to have any Think Central work. There is no work to do on Think Central today. Today is kind of a day that we played those games together, and then you're going to kind of do a center where you hunt for shapes around your house. So on the post, I attached this worksheet that if you have a printer at home, you can print out, or you could just draw it on a piece of paper. Either way works. So what you're going to do is you're going to search your house for 3D shapes, and you're going to draw and label as many of each shape that you can find. So if you find a soup can and a soda bottle and a glue, you're going to draw a soup can, a soda bottle, and a glue in these boxes next to cylinder, because those are all cylinders. Make sure to label. So underneath Campbell soup, write soup can. Underneath soda bottle, write soda bottle. Underneath the glue, write glue stick, so I know what your objects are. Then in the comments, upload a picture of your work and post it right under the post in the comment section. Okay? Awesome job today, friends. Great work. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye, friends.